All right, here's some more shots of the Cosworth. This is a 1993. It's one of the first 2,500 units they made so they could homologate the WRC rally car. This car came from Spain, imported here to AZ. Quite a process to do that, which I will be making a video, link to subscribe in bio. So this thing has titanium exhaust that we built. Other than that, it's got some Bilsteins, AP racing brakes, the OZ rims. The inside is pretty clean for a 93. Got the original Recaro seats, suede steering wheel, got the 5-speed, the little digital head unit from back in the day, even a manual crank sunroof. And then underneath the hood here, we haven't done anything to it, just some basic supporting cleaning and updates, but we're going to be getting some bigger injectors and doing a different chip on there. So it has the T35 turbo, which I believe stock was about 250 horsepower. So with the new injectors and chip, we should be at around 350 horsepower, which is great. This is all-wheel drive, about 2,500 pounds for this car. So that is it. That is the Escort RS Cosworth, the real deal here stateside. Keep asking those questions. I'll keep making videos.